What's up, guys? My name is Craig Ruin with SUNDEK of San Antonio. Thanks for joining me out here at Sonoma Ranch HOA Pool. Out here this week, we are performing a deep acid wash, pressure washing system to get this thing ready to go for swim season. It's a hot summer day, a lot of kids and folks are running around getting ready to go home and have lunch. Before they do so, they come here to the shower to rinse all the dirt and grime off of them. You can really see once that water runs off their body, if you look down on the ground here, the grease, the grime, the lotions, the chemicals dig into the Classic Textures finish coat and creates a very harsh discoloration. That's what we're out here to try and rectify today, get cleaned. So an acid wash really revolves around us taking a muriatic acid, diluting it 4:1. We broadcast it evenly around the deck. Then we work it in with a soft bristle deck broom to really make sure that acid etch is getting into those pores and cleaning that finish coat that's down here on our Classic Texture. Then we come back and follow up with our pressure washing system. It's work into the areas that have been softened up by the acid and clean the deck and get it ready to go. We've built a relationship on the expectation that you help me keep this deck looking clean and maintained so we can provide a space that's ready and suitable for a lot of the entertainment that they do out here.